Running through the various test points here. Again, test point 1. This is on my 1000 volt setting. I'll turn it down to 200 volts. Shows 5 volts. Test point 5 should show 5, and it shows 5. Test point 3 shows 29.8 volts. Test point 2 shows 13 volts. Test point 6 shows 11 volts. Test point 2 shows 2.7 volts. On the solenoid driver board, test point 3 shows 5 volts. Test point 1 shows 5 volts. Of course, we know test point 5 shows 12 volts. Test point 6 shows 5 volts. Test point 7 shows 5 volts. Test point 43 on the solid state sound module shows 60 volts, 59.8 volts. Test point 3 shows 11.5 volts. Test point 1 on the lamp driver board shows 5 volts. Test point 3 shows 5 volts. On the regulator assembly board, test point 1 shows 2.6 volts. Test point 2 shows, I'm sure that's out of range of the meter. Test point 3 shows 13 volts. Test point 4 shows nothing. Test point 5 shows 60 volts. And if we have a problem with, well, any help would be greatly appreciated again.